So for this project, you can use any type of yarn. I'm using this bulky yarn that's size 5, but you can use any yarn. And with that, I'm using a size 6 hook. You want to grab 2 ends. If you want to make 2 different colors, you can also do that. I can show you. So to begin, grab 2 strands of yarn like this and make a slip knot. So make a loop, go into the loop and pull, and that's your slip knot. We're going to go into it and tighten. Now hold the first yarn on top and the second on the bottom like this. So for the bottom yarn, we're going to go over the hook and hold it down, top yarn over, and pull through these 2 loops all the way. So the bottom yarn over the hook and hold it. Now you have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops like that. So bottom yarn over and hold, yarn over, pull through. And this is how you make a cord like look. It's called an I cord. And you just continue this all the way. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. There are no right or wrong amount of stitches you can do here. It just depends on how large or small you want your bow to be. So just keep chaining until you're happy with the length. It should start to look something like this. And if you want to make 2 different colors like this, you can also do that. It's the same exact way where you yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So same exact way, you're just using 2 different colors. So once you've finished all your chains and you're happy with the length, you just want to pull the yarn through like this, and now you have 2 strands on each side. You want to make a knot and just tie them together very tight so they're secure like this. So both of your ends should look like this. And for me, the length came about to around 53 centimeters, around there. So I've made 3 of them, all the same length, about 53 centimeters. And now we can start making our bow. So grab whichever, and you want to make 2 loops like this. Cross and make a knot and pull. Like this, and you can adjust how big or small you want your loops to be. Now once you have your first bow, we can start on the second. So grab your next color and we're gonna go through the hole of the first bow like this. And now instead of making loops like this and the other color being in the middle, we need to make this color be in a loop of the next color like this. Like this. So pretend it's not here and it's connected to the first loop of the second color like this. And now we're just going to make a knot again like normal. And just tighten it. And again, you just adjust how big you want the loops. You can match the first one like so, and you have your second bow. And then you can just keep going with however many bows you have. So insert into the loop, come out like so, make a loop here like this, make a loop here, and just tie it together. And this is what it should look like. And the ends, you can just cut them off because both ends are tied secure. Like so, and you can just do the same for all of them and you have your garland.